Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ISHA NASIHA binti ISAZALI. Today we would like to present our project titled Aurelia Hotel Management System. Now I will introduce our group member, HIJA FARHA, ISHA FARA, INSYIRAH and ANNUR SHAMIMI. Next, we will move on to the introduction of our project system. Aurelia Hotel Management System is developed to improve the efficiency of hotel management. The purpose is to assist hotel staff in managing guest information, room availability, reservation, checkout, and transaction through a user-friendly GUI. The system targets hotel employees, providing them with an organized platform to perform daily tasks accurately. It addresses common problems in manual hotel management, such as human error, duplicates record, data inconsistency, and delays in operations. By automating processes and storing data securely using file input-output, the system enhances accuracy, reduces workload, and ensures smooth hotel management. Now we will discuss the objective of the Aurelia Hotel Management System. Our focus in this project system is to develop a complete Aurelia Hotel Management System for daily hotel operation. Second, to provide a secure and user-friendly system for hotel staff. Last, to apply object-oriented program and file input-output technique in this system. With that, I would like to hand over the presentation to INSYIRAH to demonstrate the system.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am INSYIRAH binti Muhammad AZMIN. For our project demonstration, I will talk about the first few pages of our project. This is the startup page of our system, the first page that appears when the user opens the program. At the top, we display the Aurelia Hotel logo and welcome message to show that this is a hotel management system. On this page, there are three main buttons, which are register, login, and exit. If the user is new and does not have an account yet, they can click the register button. This will bring the user to the registration page to create a new account. If the user has already have an account, they can click the login button to enter their username and password to access the system. Lastly, the exit button is used to close the system completely. For this demo, I will click the register button to continue with the registration page. After clicking the register button, from the startup page, the user is brought to the registration page. On this page, the user needs to enter their name, username, email, password, and confirm password to create a new account. When the user clicks the register button, the system will first check if all fields are filled in. If any fields are empty, an error message will be shown. The system checks whether the password and the confirm password are the same. If they are not matching, the system will ask the user to re-enter the password. The system also checks that the password is between 8 to 12 characters and contains both letters and numbers for better security. After that, the system will check the file to make sure the username or email are not already registered. This helps to avoid duplicates account. If everything is valid, the user information will be saved into a text file and a message will appear to inform that the registration is successful. Then, the system will automatically bring the user to the login page to log in using the new account. After registering, the user will be directed to the login page. On this page, the user needs to enter their username and password that were previously registered. When the user clicks the login button, the system will first check if both fields are filled in. If not, a message will appear asking the user to enter both username and password. Then, the system will read the data from the user text file and compare the input with the source records. If the username and password match one of the records in the file, the login page is successful. This is the forgot password page. It is used when the users cannot remember their passwords and want to set a new one. Here, the user needs to enter their username, a new password, and confirm the password. When the user clicks the reset button, the system will first check if all fields are filled. If any field is empty, it will show an error message. Then, the system checks whether the new password and the confirmed passwords are the same. If they are not the same, the user must re-enter the password. After that, the system checks the password rules. The password must be between 8 to 12 characters and must contain both letters and numbers. This is done using the loop that checks each character in the password. Next, the system will read the user data from text file. If username is found, the password will be replaced with the new password in the file. If the reset is successful, a message will appear saying the password has been updated. After that, the system will bring the user back to the login page to log in with the new password. The return button can also be used to go to the login page without resetting.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HIJA FARHA. So this is the homepage of the Aurelia Hotel Management System, which serves as the main dashboard after a user logs in. At the top of the screen, the hotel name Aurelia Hotel is displayed, along with the buttons to return to the login page and exit the application. In the center of the page, you can see the main menu buttons. This allows the user to quickly access important features such as check-in, check-out, room management, guest management, and user management. Each button opens a different section of the system. At the bottom of the page, the system shows real-time information, including the number of reservations made and the number of available rooms. These values are updated automatically whenever the user returns to the home page. This page is the managed user of the Aurelia Hotel Management System. Its main purpose is to view, search, update, and delete user accounts securely. On the left side, all user data is displayed in a table. The system reads this data directly from a text file called users.txt, which stores the user's name, username, email, and password. For security reasons, passwords are hashed using the SHA-256 algorithm before being displayed, so they are never shown in plain text. At the top, there is a search bar that allows users to quickly find records by entering keywords. The table updates instantly using a row filter, making searching efficient. When a row is selected, the user's details automatically appear in the input fields on the right. Then update button update user information with the option to change the password only if a new one is entered. The system also provides clear and delete function with confirmation dialogues to prevent accidental data loss. Overall, this page ensures secure, organized, and user-friendly management of system users. So this is the Manage Room page of the Aurelia Hotel Management System. This page is used to manage all hotel room information. On the left side, we can see a table that displays the list of rooms, including the room ID, room number, room type, room status, and room cost. This helps staff easily check room availability. At the top, there is a search bar that allows users to quickly find a specific room by entering a keyword such as the room ID or room number. At the right side, this section is used to add new rooms or update existing room details. The room ID is generated automatically to avoid duplication. Staff can enter the room number, select the room type and status, and set the room cost. When a room is selected from the table, its details automatically appear in the input fields. The user can then update the information and save the changes. The clear button resets the form, while the delete button removes a room after confirmation to prevent accidental deletion. This page is the Manage Guest section of the Aurelia Hotel Management System. It is used to store and manage guest information for hotel operations. At the top, there is a search bar that helps users quickly find a guest by entering a keyword, such as the guest name or ID. On the left side, the table displays a list of guests, including the guest ID, guest name, IC or passport number, phone number, and email. This allows staff to easily view and manage guest records in one place. On the right side, staff can add new guests or update existing guest details. The guest ID is generated automatically to ensure it is unique, and the system prevents duplicate IC or passport numbers to avoid duplicate records. The page also includes clear and delete buttons with confirmation messages.
Now, I will explain the check-in page of our hotel management system. This page is designed to manage guest check-in efficiently and reduce manual work at the reception. On this screen, we can see two main sections. On the left side, we have reservation record displayed in a table, and on the right side, we have check-in form with action button. The table displays all reservation details such as reservation ID, guest ID, room ID, check-in date, check-out date, and number of nights. On the right side, we have the check-in form, which include reservation ID that auto-generate reservation ID. Guest ID selected from a drop-down list. Room ID selected based on room availability. Check-in date selected using a date picker. Check-out date also selected using a date picker. This page provides four main functions. First is Add button, used to add a new check-in record. Update button, used to modify existing reservation details. Clear button, clear all input field for new entry. And Delete button, remove a selected reservation record. Next, I will explain the checkout page of my hotel management system. This page is used to finalize a request stay, calculate charge, and complete the checkout process. The checkout page is divided into two main sections. On the left side, it will display the request stay and billing detail in a table, and on the right side, it allows the user to select a reservation and perform the checkout action. The table shows complete information related to a reservation, such as reservation ID, best name, check-in date, check-out date, number of days stay, room charge, service tag, and total amount. All calculations are automatically calculated by the system. On the right side, the user select a reservation ID from a combo box. Once selected, the system retrieves the request detail and billing information is displayed in the table automatically. This page included two main buttons. Proceed to complete the checkout process, confirm payment, and update the room status to available. Cancel to cancel the operation and return to the previous screen without making change. Finally, I will explain the payment page of my hotel management system. This page is used to process guest payment after checkout and generate a receipt. At the bottom of the form, reservation ID is automatically loaded from the checkout process, and total amount is displayed based on room charge and service tax. The system supports two payment options. The first one is cash payment. When cash is selected, the user enter the cash received from client. Then the system automatically calculate and display the change. And next is online banking. When online banking is selected, the user select a bank from the drop-down list and enter a transaction reference number. At the bottom of the page, there are proceed payment button to confirm the payment and serve the transaction detail to the database. Generate receipt button to display a payment receipt for the guest, and back button return to the previous screen. This X button is used to exit the page, and the home button is used to return the user to the main home page of the system. The logout button is used to securely exit the system and back to login page. In this system, file input-output is used to store and retrieve data locally. The system saves information into text file. The system uses the following file: quest file to store all quest information, reservation file to store reservation and booking details, room files to store room information and room status, user file to store user login credential, and last is receipt file to store all payment and receipt record. In conclusion, this project successfully developed a hotel management system that manages the process from user registration to transaction completion. The system includes key modules such as login, room management, reservation, checkout, and payment, which help organize data and reduce manual work. Through this project, we applied Java programming, file handling, and GUI design using NetBeans. In the future, the system can be improved by using a database to enhance data security and efficiency. That's all from us. Thank you.